The machine oblique twist using the fly machine trains the abs, more specifically the transverse abdominis and the obliques. To set up, set the handle all the way back. Anchor your hip and torso against the back pad with your hips facing sideways. Take a wide stance, leaning into the backrest and pushing away with your leg to further brace yourself. Next, twist your torso and grab the arm of the machine with interlocked fingers and your arms straight. This will allow for a little more range of motion as opposed to grabbing the handle. Lastly, pull your shoulders down toward your hips and adjust your hands so they are placed in line or just below your shoulders. Ideally, you want your shoulders above the backrest to allow for more range of motion, and for that reason I'm standing and not sitting on the seat, so it doesn't block my shoulders. For the action, on the concentric, twist your torso whilst keeping your hips stationary. Exhale as you twist, emptying your lungs to allow space for you to fully shorten your abs. During the eccentric, reverse the action with control, imagining that you're twisting your body like a towel. For proper alignment, ensure your hips remain stationary, facing sideways away from the machine. This should encourage you to twist from your spine instead of your hips. Remain with your hips in contact with the backrest or seat. And lastly, keep your shoulders down throughout the movement to increase shoulder stability.